Hello Luke, it's Chuck. So I'm just gonna walk you through the last 3 days of my life. First of all, Tuesday. I felt quite sick but decided to go to school anyway because I had the theater after school and that was pretty important because we were getting our roles that day. So I get to school. Turns out English is cancelled. And instead we have to get to assembly to hear from the career advisor about opportunities for more schooling after this school is finished. The school system works a lot different in Denmark than it does in America. So yeah, get there. She refuses to talk about the actual school options I've decided on, the one I need to take. Because apparently it's a terrible place filled with teenagers. Seriously, apparently no adults were ever teenagers. Ever. It just didn't happen. So yeah, I left. Partly because there was no point in me being there when it was about all of the other schools I'm not going to. And also a friend messaged me on Facebook because she didn't want to go to assembly. So yeah, that evening was theater, which would have been quite fun had I not been feeling that ill. There's a few times I just kind of had to stop because I was feeling that ugh. But yeah, I got my part. I'm playing Jim, who will at some point solicit 2 prostitutes, so that's gonna be fun. Also, most of my lines are pretty simple and there's not a lot of them. But there's one where I kind of have to learn a full paragraph of text. Memorize that. Better get started about now. Then there was a thing where we kind of had to split up into pairs and do some weird practices with that. Basically, the thing is we had to hold on to each other's shoulders. So me and a girl there were the 2 last people left. Because it seems most of the other ones already knows each other from other places. But yeah, she starts off first of all seriously trying to find someone else to work with. Finally gives up and just kind of looks at me and goes, okay, I know you don't like touching people, but could you at least try? Keep in mind this is before we even get started. I go, okay. Bit confused about why she doesn't like me. But yeah, trying to lighten up the mood a bit, just goes, well, is it that obvious? At which point she said something I don't really comprehend, but along the lines of, yeah, and I apparently give off bad negative energy and she doesn't like that. It made no sense. But yeah, apparently I'm the sort of person people just doesn't like on instinct. That was fun. Moving on to Wednesday. I stayed home because I felt really sick. So I just kind of spent the whole day watching YouTube videos. Nothing interesting there. My phone ran out of storage and now I can't remember where I was. But anyway, Wednesday was miserable. So yeah, today, Thursday, just as I was about to actually drag myself out of bed, I got a text saying that school got cancelled. So yay. I find it a bit weird that while you're struggling to actually catch up, follow along, catch up with schoolwork and such, my school is kind of just meh, we'll get to it when we get to it. Again, it seems there's a stark difference between the school systems in Denmark and America. But yeah, I did sort of plan this morning to do a lot of things today, since I had the entire day just to do shit. But nope. Spent the whole day watching YouTube videos. Which I guess isn't nothing, but it's not entirely productive. Yeah, I said walk you through the last 3 days of my life, kind of forgetting that everything interesting happened Tuesday. I am quite looking forward to see what your new YouTube project thing is. Luke, have a great week. Don't forget to be awesome.